Here we have a Rollin SAW HS 1418 horizontal bandsaw. This has a swivel base, and it appears to be just slightly used, but it does have quite a bit of shipping distress. The motor does operates very nicely. So what we're going to do is we're just going to fire it up and show you that it does operate. Now this does not include a blade. The blade was broken on it, so you have to purchase a blade and some parts for it. And just turn the unit off. It comes with a coolant pump system. There's no coolant reservoir, but the pump does operate, and this fitting here may need to be replaced. And we're just going to roll around to the other side here. The cover for the belt pulleys, it's a little bent up, but it'll still do the job. It's a little loose because one of the two screws here sheared off during shipping, so that'll have to be extracted. Replace that. Okay, we'll just move on here. There's a small dent in the motor here. It doesn't affect the proper operation of the motor at all. This cover right here got really bent up. You probably just remove it or replace it. We'll move down to the cylinder here. Now this has a hydraulic down feed system here. Well, all the fluid leaked out of the cylinder, and this little plastic and brass fitting here broke off. You just need to replace that, refill it with some hydraulic fluid, bleed all the air out, and it'll probably operate for you. There's some gouges on the table here. Probably on the other side there, you can see those. And that's probably from when the head was on here. It was going back and forth. You can see the bandsaw blade made marks in here. Also, this vise right here, it's a Heinrich vise. It will not move. And there's some gouges on this shaft here, and it's probably slightly bent, and that'll probably need to be repaired. Also, I'll come around here and to show you that this is your tensioner right here. Well, the screw is just slightly bent. You could probably bend that back or just replace it. Okay, there's your coolant switch on and off, and there's your hydraulic hold down and feed. It's your on-off switch. Okay, we'll move around here. So this wheel spins freely. It's got some paint scratches on some of the parts. This is a part that cleans the blade, and it's a guard. It got pretty bent up. You might be able to bend that back or just get another one, replace it. And I'm just going to show you here, this drip pan here. Well, this drip pan got pushed in a little bit, so it bent the whole drip pan. It includes some side guards for the drip pan, and we're not quite sure where this goes. Here's your contactors, your electrical system. That works very nicely. And it does swivel. The head does swivel. We just can't swivel it right now because we've got resting on this block. But it does operate. The gearbox seems to be okay. All the electrical appears to work. And we thank you for looking at our product.